Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of printing, signing and scanning documents with your hand or on a physical document? Good news, your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own lets you sign document directly from your laptop itself in seconds. So let me show you how to do it. First, the easiest way is to use preview option which comes pre-installed on your Mac. Open the PDF you want to sign. Suppose this is the PDF I want to sign. Now simply click the mark of icon. It looks like a little pen icon. Then select or click the sign button over here and you can use anything over here. As you can see, you can choose your signature over here and sign over here. You can simply click to begin and I will simply choose any one of my signatures. You can do anything over here. This is the signature that I want to use. Once your signature is saved, just click it to insert it anywhere in the document. Resize it and move it to the correct spot once done. You can do it as you want. And that's it guys. Sign documents on a MacBook Air M2. It has never been so easy. And try it out. Comment below if this saved your time and make sure to subscribe for more Mac productive hacks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.